gotta bump to the front if you wanna get ahead. That's what Grandpa, and I can understand it. That's what he said. I'm gonna say it again. Bump to the front. That's all a dance of survival is. If you wanna get ahead. That's what my grandpa, that's what he said. Some food for energy and some clothes for privacy. Shelter for protection. Love by selection. If you want to hurry to the top, you gotta get up early. Get up early. So dance, oh yeah. The dance of survival. What grandpa said. You have got to dance. Yeah, yeah. Dance of survival. You have got to dance. Dance of survival. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. You just got to dance. Get up early. The dance of survival. Now get this going. You got to dance. Yeah. Dance of survival. Yeah. It's hard. It's hard. When you're trying to get up early to get that worm. Dance up, you know the only thing to do. Get that verse on, get it. Dance, hey. Try to feel the groove. Dance up, go on, play, brother. Dance up, survival. Gotta survive. Gotta survive. Might be hungry. Might be lonely. Might be thirsty. But don't be crazy. You gotta survive. You gotta survive. You might be struggling. You might be crying. You might be bloody. But don't be dying. Oh no, we need you. You gotta survive. You gotta survive. You might be tired. You might be out. You might be too high. But don't worry about high. No, no, oh no. You gotta survive. We gotta survive. You might be preaching. You might be boxing. You might be cleaning. But do some teaching. You gotta survive. You gotta survive. Fixing hair. A clothes repair. Playing basketball. Let's give it all. You got to give it your. You gotta survive. You gotta survive. You gotta survive. You gotta survive. Preacher and teacher, street cleaner, salesman, boss man, photographer. You gotta survive. Judging, stereotyping, computer. You gotta survive. Instructor, boxing, nonsense.